All right, today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner, but this is going to work very similar to a lot of other SUVs as well as other 4Runner models. Now, what I'm going to be using, you can see this is this TYC air filter. I picked it up on Amazon for basically $7 or $8. And so I'll put a link in the description box below where you can get this same filter. The other tool you're going to need is a screwdriver. I've just got a little multi-head screwdriver. You can again pick these up on Amazon if you need them for really cheap. I'll have a link in the description box below for that as well. We've had shops that have actually quoted us upwards of like $100 to do this. It's a very simple fix, and so I wanted to show you quickly how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. When you open up the package, this is what you're going to get. You can see it's actually just the fabric for the filter. So when we're replacing the cabin filter, you're going to pull out the little sleeve that houses this. We're going to need to make sure you do not throw away that sleeve. We are only changing out the fabric. The air cabin filter is located in back of your glove compartment. So what we're going to need to do is pull down the latch to our glove compartment. And you can see mine has a little bit of stuff in there. So again, if you're going to be doing this, we're going to actually lower this down. And if you have a lot of items in here, make sure you take them out or else you're going to get some spillage. But basically, all we're going to need to do here is remove this screw that's attached to this hydraulic bit right here. And so I'm going to take that's where I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just going to loosen that guy up. Okay, with that single screw loosened, you can now push out your hydraulic bit, and then this is actually attached in here by a little plastic piece right here. So we're going to push down on that. Again, you can see I just pulled this out, this little black piece. It's exactly the same on the other side. Okay, you can see the glove compartment is now in the downward position. It's actually just held on by a couple of clips back here. And what we're going after is this guy right here. That's the filter housing. And if you can get to it without taking this off, again, it's only held in by a couple of clips, so you can always pull this out. But all that this is held in with is a couple of tabs. So I'm going to push that one in right there. Come over here on the same side and push that in. And then this actually just slides right out. And let's see how dirty this is, because I really have not changed this in a long time. Yeah, you can see we got pretty black compared to that white filter I showed you. So basically, this old one just kind of slips out. You can see the two tabs. There was two tabs on this side too. I popped those out to make this easier for filming. And we're just going to pull that out like this. We can discard that guy. And remember, this is the housing you will need to keep. Don't chuck that. And then this one's just going to slide in, just tuck it underneath the two tabs on this side. And there you go. That is a new filter installed, and we'll put it right back in. Okay, once you have the cabin filter placed inside, again, place these two black tabs up and around the side plastic here. Remember to put your screw back in and close up your glove compartment. And there you go, we've just changed the air filter on a Toyota 4Runner. Check out the description box again for specific links to Amazon for the air filter as well as the screwdrivers. And stay tuned, we'll have more 4Runner tutorials coming up soon.